Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to add link in Instagram bio. So if you want to add maybe your Facebook link, your Twitter link, your Instagram link, or your YouTube link to your Instagram bio, then here's a video for you. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to add link in Instagram bio, all you need to do is go ahead and open the Instagram application on your phone. So this could be on Android, it could be on iPhone. Open Instagram. Once opened Instagram, locate and click on the profile button at the bottom right. Now here, click on edit profile. Now on the profile page, you should see links. Go ahead and click on it. Then you should say add external link if you've added one link before, and if you have not added any link, you should say add external link. Click on add external link. Then go ahead, type in your link. That is the link address. So you can just type it as it is. Then the title, so I can just call this the address or iPhone tour. So let me say iPhone tour. Then once you type the title, click on the done button at top right. Then hang on. Then you should see your external link added. Now, if you hit the back button, come back to your Instagram profile page, refresh the page, then you should see the link here. And if you have multiple links, just like my own, just click on the link and more. Then you should see the two links you added or the number of links you added to your Instagram bio like this. So that's exactly how to add link in Instagram bio. So if you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.